part 2 of our 3-part series to Hmong Awareness Month. I'm sure some of you were here with us last week for spring roll making. Thank you again for joining us this week. Tonight, we have entertainment night. Got lots of great performances, got lots of great talent. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming the MCs for tonight. They'll come up here and they'll introduce themselves and they'll get the show rolling, all right? So MCs, can I have you guys come on stage, please?
Can you count them?
All right, hi, how are y'all doing today? Yeah, that's what I like hearing. So, it is our greatest pleasure to have you attend our entertainment night today. So my name is Carol. I am a senior in the Business Administration program at UW-Stuff. And I'm hopefully graduating 2018 of May. And my personal gender pronouns are she, her, hers. And so I'll let my other co-MC introduce himself.
All right, hello everyone. My name is Charles Yang. I am the future historian for HSSL, and I'm a junior in the voc rehab area.
Alrighty, thank you, Charles. All right, so before we actually get started with everything, we just wanted to kind of talk about some housekeeping things. So, if you haven't already noticed, there's going to be some beverages and snacks back there for you. So feel free to grab some snacks and some beverages while watching the entertainment tonight. And also, to your right, you'll find the women's bathroom, and then to your left, the men's bathroom, and they're going to be outside. So if you see around you the word exits, if there is by chance any fire or any emergencies whatsoever, you can exit through those doors.
Okay, on the baby, so can you talk all who not here emergency exits? Okay, the name sa long na, youรู้ถึงนี่who not her, the name sa si na, youรู้ปนwho not, okay, chứ chỉ tao nhớ với một không chọn nhau, nhau chắc này, nhau này sao nó không chọn nhau gì, anh chỉ muốn nó này, alright. Okay, now before we start, Carol, what if I told you I can do magic?
Really? You're gonna have to show me, Charles.
Alright, just give me a sec. Can you hold this for a sec?
Okay,
yeah. Hold this for a sec. Give me like 10 seconds to...
Okay.
I don't really like the shirt. Let me switch shirts real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, okay, I'm ready, Carol. You want to see the magic trick? Yeah.
You changed your shirt?
Yeah.
So wasn't it just maroon?
What?
Wasn't it just maroon earlier?
No, it was blue the whole time.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Maroon right there, you liar!
Damn, Carol, how you gonna expose me like that? Oh my God.
You have 2 shirts on.
Anyway, we have a real magician in the house, and his name is the amateur magician.
Let's welcome the amateur magician!
All right.
Charles, I said amazing, not amateur. Magic. I wasn't gonna do a bottle flip, it's not 2016. Okay, hey guys, my name is Josh, the amazing magician, not the amateur, amazing. You know, I wanted to do magic mainly because, let's move this up here a little bit. I wanted to do magic for you guys today because, you know, I can't dance or sing or anything, you know. So magic is pretty cool. So let's see. I've got this water bottle here and this pen. And magic's super easy. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I wanted to drink this, but not anymore. I have another trick here. Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cubes are amazing because, you know, there are like 1 million different ways you can configure a cube, you know. And I found out how to do it in 4. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? No? How about I go a little 1, 2. Alright, now let's get into some real magic. I got some cards up here, you know, all different and all that. Is it cool if, can I get the lights on? I want to get a volunteer up here. Who wants to come up here with me? That dude, right? Get up here, come on. Give him a round of applause. I know this guy. This guy's name is Matt. Can we get a microphone for Matt, please? Thank you, girl. There you go. All right, Matt. Thanks. So for this trick, you know, I'm gonna do just kind of try to find a card for you, or I'm gonna have you pick a card, all right? And I'm gonna rip it up and put it back together. Okay. So this guy knows me. He knows my major. My major is engineering technology. And engineering tech, what's fun about it is that you get to rip things apart, you know, like what I'm going to do in a bit, and put it back together. So I'm going to demonstrate to this guy right now. All right, Matt, if you want to come in a little closer, you can see the pink tape. Yeah, get right there. That way the camera can see your pretty face. All right, Matt. So I'm just going to go through these cards right now, and then just put a finger on whatever card you like.
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
All right. That's your card right there. All right, you want to take it? It's okay if I see it. You know, it's the trick. All right. What card did you get?
Ace of Hearts.
Ace of Hearts. You want to show the audience? Ace of Hearts, everyone.
Can I?
Visible? All right. I can take the card back. Thank you. Now, like I said, Matt, I'm going to take this card and rip it up into pieces. All right. So let's go. Oh, God, these are brand new. Right there, and rip here, and rip here. All right, all ripped up.
Yeah.
So, you know, all Ace of Hearts, all that. I'm gonna give you one piece.
Okay.
This is your receipt. All right, and
Can I get a refund?
no refunds. It's college people. I'm just kidding. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these, go up here, put them in the box, all right? And then close. And let's see, I want to use a pen or a marker. All right, cut your marker. What I need you to do next is sign that for me. Sign your receipt.
I feel like I'm signing my death sentence right here.
Not yet.
Not yet.
All right, showing audience. Can you guys see that? MY right there. All right. Now, with this next trick, all the pieces are in here, right? Can you?
Yeah,
You guys hear that? What I'm gonna do now is, like I said, I'm gonna put these cards back together as one, all right? You just hold on to your receipt.
Oh.
So,
Not very good at that.
the magic word. I was gonna sneeze. Okay, abracadabra. That. Now, let's take a look.
Oh, snaps.
Now, okay, I could be bullshitting you, but if we put your card right there, is it a perfect match? All the creases right there?
Yeah.
Good, there you go, guys. Perfect match.
Okay.
You can have a seat. All right, you can take your seat. All right, thank you, Matt. Okay, guys, you know, that was sort of an easy trick. I was able to pull that out of my ass for like a week. But I've got a better trick. So I want to have one more volunteer up here for this last trick. Who's ready? Anyone? Anyone? You? Get up here. All right. Round of applause, please. And can you give everyone your name?
Nichi Yang.
Nichi. Nice to meet you,
I don't
man.
know me, guy.
I know him, don't worry.
I know.
All right. All right, Nichi. Now for this trick, we're going to be using a brand new deck of cards, all right?
All right.
So brand new. Brand new cards always come with the plastic around it, and there's a black seal that says the U.S. Playing Card Company. So, you know, it's legit. So let's just pop this open quick. How you doing today?
I'm okay. How about you?
Dude, I'm nervous.
I couldn't tell, but that's what on your head.
I know, right? It's like wearing red, my face is turning red too. All that. All right. Well, got it open. If we pop the seal, brand new deck. And can I have you hold out your hands real quick so I can put these on? All right.
You want me to hold the cards?
Yeah, just hold the cards for a little bit. Just gonna clear some of this out of the way. All right. So, some of you guys may not know this, but in the new deck of cards, there's always two jokers in the front. One is the black and white joker, and the other one is a traditional color joker, right? And in the back are two promo cards. Really just advertisement, telling you to like them on Facebook and all that. But if you look through a new court order deck, it runs ace through king, and then king through ace, king through ace. Nichi, fun fact, you see those two?
Yeah.
The king of diamonds and king of clubs?
No.
Magicians usually call them the kissing kings. Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people call them the brokeback kings. But
Me, my bro back in?
no, I'm good. All right. So what I want you to do next, I can hold the microphone for you, but give those cards a good shuffle, like cut them, mix them up really good. Yeah, shuffle, like, go for it, dude. Go to town. All right, looks good. Okay. Now, for the next part, I'm going to put the cards down little by little and put a little, place another card. And I think that's going to be your chosen card, right? All right, just tell me when to stop. Stop? All right. Now, my favorite card is, if I can get it out, there's a lot of cards in there, is the Joker. Usually the traditional Joker. I'm going to put this down right here. And this next card, I really hope you like it, all right? So go ahead and take a look at it.
Should I show everybody?
Yeah, you can show me too, dude, that's fine. Ace of diamonds, all right? Okay, ace of diamonds. Now for this next, here, let me just get these cards out of the way and I will get you my marker again. Where did I put my marker?
I think Matt still has it.
That's a pen. Got it right here. So go ahead, sign your name. Good? Awesome. In a couple of years, he's just gonna get rich. He's gonna sell this. All right. Gonna put that in the middle of the deck there, and hold out your hand. We're gonna close our hands in together. This part, I'll hold on to the mic for you. All right. Now cup your hands over mine. Your hands are really warm. Broke my balance, guys. All right. For this next part, now I need your hands to close these cards like in really tight, all right? And I'm gonna try to pull one card out, right? Ready? Would it be cool if it's your card? Are you sure?
I'm pretty strong. I don't know what you do.
It's not my card. It's not your card. It was my card. Remember the Joker?
Yeah.
Traditional Joker people. All right. Well, for this next part, put this up. Okay, yeah. For this next part, I'm gonna try to find your card and move it, flip it upside down, and flip all the other cards upside down, or right side up.
Okay.
Would that be cool?
Yeah.
How about this? How about if I put your card upside down, all the other cards are right side up, and I put them in a box? Would that be cool?
Yeah.
What if I did all that, put the plastic back on, and put the paper seal
If you
back?
did all that, I'll give you $2.
$2, people, $2. All right.
Be lying, $2.
Take the mic, because I just did it.
Did you?
Brand new deck of cards, people.
Oh, okay.
Brand new deck. Color split and cut. Is there any cut?
No.
Cut? No cuts?
No.
No cuts on the side?
No,
No cuts on the bottom?
no,
No cuts on the side?
no.
It's a brand new deck of cards, people. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this open again. And let's see.
Check checks.
$2? You guys, I'm gonna be rich after this. Bought myself a McDouble. This is no sponsorship for McDonald's, by the way, guys. This is just small talk. I can't get this open. All right. Good enough. All right. Now, like I said, it's a brand new deck of cards. That seal's not broken yet, right? So I'm just gonna pop that open. And if we look, new deck. You'll notice that on the back, we don't have the promo cards because they're in my pocket. Remember that? So I got promo cards right here and the jokers right here. So they're not in the front either. So if we look through the deck, remember, court order, ace through king, king through ace, the broke back kings. And let's see, what was your card again?
Eight diamonds.
Ace of diamonds. So if we get closer and closer, what is that? What's between there?
Ace of diamonds.
Check it out.
Yeah, that's my card. That's my
Ace of
signature.
diamonds. Right, well, thank you very much. You can keep that card. Thank you guys very much. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night.
Lisa, better Lisa, what a Gilico. Lisa, better Lisa, Hogodito long. Lisa, better Lisa, what a Gilico. Lisa, better Lisa, morning. Asking myself, how did I get here this morning? Vontae Parker in a teal and orange, and Russell in a golden purple, youngest from the Ville, important. I used to sit up in my room and ponder, finish school and get a doctor's. I'm 22, I gotta get it now. Man, who knew we'd have to figure it out? Trap soul, man, I crack cocaine, that's what we putting out. It's saying, don't forget when you was broke, I was looking at sunsets, levels to the look at all the levels that I skill. Feeling like that's the medal I should get. All these haters getting heavy on my. Look at my. Chasing paper, getting boost with my niggas. So how the f can people back home say I shook on my.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Why does every love song remind me of you? Why can't I make my mind up and decide what to do? I'm trying to write these songs, I always end up writing about you. I hope that you don't mind. Sometimes I think about you and wish I could press rewind. Whisper in my ear, she sent chills down my spine. Some people travel across the world and still don't ever find this thing we call love. Angel in my eyes like you were sent from up above. Yeah, like you were sent from up above. Look, yeah, I catch myself staring, I hope you don't mind. Baby, I'm just taking time to thank God that you mine. So anytime you need, I'll come through. Nothing comes between, it's just me, it's just you. I never knew that love was so true. And if I had to tell the truth, girl, I never been in love before you. I'm the one for you, and that's for real. Never been in love, I never got the feeling. A certain type of love you give to me, trust you give to me. This is just the way I feel. Baby, I'm the one for you, and that's for real. Never been in love, I never got the feeling. A certain type of love you give to me, trust you give to me. This is just the way I feel. I think I love you. I think I love you. I think I love you. I think I love you.
I could just sit and wait for all your goodness. Hope to feel your presence. I could just stay right where I am and hope to feel something again. I could hold on to who I am and never have to change me from the inside. I could be safe right where I am and never leave home, never let these walls down. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you will lead me. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you will lead me. You will lead me. I could hold on to who I am and never have to change me from the inside. I could be safe, I could be safe right in your arms and never leave home, never let these walls down. But you have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you will lead me. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you will lead me. You will lead me. light the path before me, but you have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you lead me. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you lead me. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you lead me. You have called me higher, you have called me deeper, and I'll go where you lead me, Lord. You lead me. You lead me. You lead me. Thanks, guys.
There's only two types of people in the world. The ones that observe. Well, baby, I'm gonna show kind of girl. Don't let the backseat guide up the first. Call the shots. I make it hot. Now get all the shots. There's only in the center of the ring, just like a circus. Everybody gonna treat just like a circus. Stand up, watching me, follow me, show me what you can do. Everybody let go, we can make a dance floor just like a circus. Let's go. There's only in the center of the ring, just like a circus. Everybody gonna treat just like a circus. Stand up, watching me, follow me, show me what you can do. Everybody let go, we can make a dance floor just like a circus. 추억이 이리 많을까 넌 대체 뭐 할까 아직 만일에 혹시 돌아올까 나 절대 이름이 아닌데 이런 적 없었는데 사람 너무 도둑해 아직도 못 견뎌 너무도 달콤한 이말 속가 이제와 혼자 falling down 차라리 만나지 말 걸 그랬어 이렇게 될 줄 몰랐어 이토록 쉽게 우린 끝인가요 또 나 혼자 밥을 먹고 나 혼자 영화 보고 나 혼자 노래하고 이럴 때 나 울고 불고 너무나도 없어 후회해도 소용없어 오늘도 나 혼자 길을 걷고 내 혼자 TV를 보고 내 혼자 취해보고 이렇게 매일 울고 불고 사정 내고 했어 이러냐 안 해서 오늘도 잠 못 자. 내가
Thank you.
Kau kecil lagu yang baik, ku malam ku Malaysia, tak sedang sayang sau chia
say I can never live without you by my side. And then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Oh no, I was fine. For as long as I know how I want to live, I know I'll survive. I got all my life to give. I got all my love to live. I will survive. I will survive. I will survive.
nhỏ rong ý trong cười bên nén trà ý trong lỡ cho nên nhỏ lý cha rong xia被偷到多心机我做梦乱到你他你不诺啊你不nhỏ rong cho tình đây nữ cháy